Hello guys, welcome to Spyro 365. Today I am going to show you how to remove logo background in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's start. First of all, we have created our sequence and we insert the footage and the logo here. Insert the logo and then from the effects panel we'll apply color key effect on the logo layer. After that we'll create a mask, we'll scale it down and create a mask. And now we'll choose invert it. After that, we'll select the color key, hide over 2 and select this one and increase the color tolerance. So our logo background of our logo has been removed. You can see we have removed our background of our logo. And you can place this logo here. There is some edges. We choose dissolve. Now it has been completely removed. So that's it for today. If you love and enjoy our video, please like, comment and share this one. Do not forget to subscribe our channel to get more tips and tricks in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you.